Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel. Moringa leaves with red spinach, sundal are the menu today. The recipe has a lot of benefits, including high level of vitamin C and E, as well as support for healthy skin. As my grandmother always preferred to eat this recipe for every day. Red spinach, moringa leaves, 1 cup shredded coconuts, garlic, chilies, 1 tablespoon mustard seed, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon black pepper, curry leaves, maldive fish as needed, onion, and 20 grams butter are the ingredients. Cut the spinach with moringa leaves into small pieces. Then melt the butter in a pan. And add the sliced onions, mustard seeds, chopped garlic, chilies, curry leaves, black pepper, half a box of maagi, 1 tablespoon maldive fish, and half teaspoon turmeric powder. Saute it until golden. After sautéing in the same pan, add our chopped moringa and spinach. Then add shredded coconuts and cook for 3 minutes on low heat. That's it. Our sundal is ready, guys. I've optionally added red rice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Have a good day.